Hi, this is part 2 of the dragon scale. I just made it to the length of my wrist, and I'm going to do one more row for you to see. Since the red is there, since the last one I put was there, I put that one here, then skip, and like that. And remember, you get the bottom, put it over and bottom. So you get all the bottoms when you put it in the first one. Then you want to pull it a little bit. And now you take this, you go like that, and attach it to here. And then you do the same thing on this side. And then you take this again, push this down, and bring it to this one. And do the other side again. And then make sure you have 6. And you need 6 C-clips. And now you put it through, you pull this, you attach it like that, and let go. And then you do the same thing on this side. And you go like this, and you put the C-clip through all of these to pull it. Make sure you put them in all, and then let go, and then double check, get the next C-clip, put it through here, get these, pull it, and clip these 2 on. Then get the next one, put it through this one. Oops. And let go like that. And then the last one. Oh no, second to last. And then this one's the last one. And now, hopefully you did it all right. And we're going to carefully take them off. And then go to the beginning. Going to try to find the first one. And if you can, hook it on. Then you're gonna take off the second one, find the second one, and hook it on. Take off the third, find the third one, take off the fourth, and hook it on. Get the fifth one, and hook it on. Get the last one off and hook it on. And hopefully you'll get a bracelet that looks like that. And these are the two 8 pegs that I did. Thank you for watching. Bye.